Alright, so we're going to go over some problems from your PowerPoint. We skipped a few of them, but we're going to go jump to this one. What are we dealing with? We got a ratio on the left. A ratio is just a fraction. And then we also got a proportion. Proportion is just two ratios equal each other. So we're going to do what's called cross multiplication. You're going to take 3 times 27. It's going to give me 81. And then 9 times x is simply 9x. Divide both sides by 9. Divide both sides by 9. You get x equals 9. That's my first answer. Okay, second one. We're still cross multiplying. Pretty much every single problem you're going to cross multiply. You're going to get 45 equals 5g divided by 5 divided by 5. You get g equals 9. Next one. 3 times 15 is 45 again. Equals 5x. We divide by 5 divided by 5, so x equals 9. Alright, here. Same thing once again. We're still doing it. Got 21 equals 5x divided by 5. So sometimes you might get decimals for answers. So you're going to get, you're going to take a calculator and take 21 divided by 5. You get 4.2. So that's my answer for this one. Alright, two problems right here. We're going to cross multiply. You get 7 times 7 is 49. Doesn't matter if you put 49 on the left side of the equal sign or the right side. You get 8 times n is 8n. Take 49 divided by 8. And you can round it if you want. If you want to put 6.1, that's fine. But if you want to write all the decimal places, that's fine as well. Over here, we cross multiply. We get 90 equals 6x. And you just take 90 divided by 6. And we're lucky enough that it's going to give me a whole number, 15. There we go. All right, with this one, got to make sure a couple things with this one. We are multiplying here, so we know that one of our numbers is going to be 35 because it's 7 times 5, but here, we're taking 10 times this entire thing. So that means 10 times, not just 10 times b, or just 10 times 5, it's 10 times both of them. So we're going to write it like this. It means we're going to multiply both of them, so 35 doesn't change. And we get 10b plus 50, because I did this. Now this goes back to your Algebra 1 skills, and I'm going to subtract 50 from both sides. And negative numbers are okay to have too. And then now we're going to divide both numbers by 10. Alright, so it's going to be equals negative 1.5. Alright, next one. We're going to cross multiply. We have 8 equals, oops. Alright, we get 8 equals 8 times m minus 8. So we get 8 equals 8m minus 64. Because we distribute. To add 64. 72 equals 8m. We divide by 8. Divided by 8, and then we get m equals 9. There we go. Alright, last two examples we're going to go over. These two. So cross multiply, you get 6 times 7 is 42. 9 times b minus 1. We distribute that 9 out, we get 42 equals 9b minus 9. Add 9 over. And you get 51 equals 9b. Divide both sides by 9. You get, I'm just going to put 5.6. With that line above it, that means it repeats forever. Same thing over here. We cross multiply. We get 24 equals 9 times r minus 3. 24 equals 9r minus 27. It's 9 times 3. We add 27 to both sides. 51 equals 9r. Divided by 9, divided by 9. You're also going to get 5.6. The same answer. There we go.